Have you tried Chinese sausage before? Today I'm going to show you a few types of Chinese sausages and how I cook Chinese sausage with two of my favorite rice dishes. So if you want to know how to make it, stay tuned. That's coming up. There are many types of Chinese sausages across the region in China. The most well-known sausage is the Cantonese style that has over 50% of market share in China. The Cantonese style sausage is commonly made with fresh pork meat and fat, preserved with soy sauce and other seasonings in an animal casing, and then dried in the sun. It's usually uncooked and can last about 3 months in the refrigerator. This one is the Taiwanese style sausage, and usually it's sweeter than the Cantonese style. And it looks a little bit different, but very similar taste. There are also different flavors like alcohol flavor, mala spicy. Some are made with extra lean pork, and some are made with duck livers. Since Chinese sausage is high in sodium but also sweet, the Chinese people like to use it as a flavor component and not eaten alone. It's one of the most common ingredients in Chinese rice dumplings, such as cheong, lao mai gai, or tune-up cake. Today I'm going to make two rice dishes using Chinese sausage. The first one is steamed jasmine rice with Chinese sausage and shiitake mushrooms. I love the mushrooms have a lot of umami flavor and the aroma from the dried shrimps. It makes a great combination with the sausage. Soak the mushrooms for 1 to 2 hours and then dice into half-inch cubes. Mince the shrimps. Remember to reserve the water from the mushrooms for cooking rice later. Grate ginger. Before cooking rice, we are gonna pan fry the Chinese sausage, mushrooms, and ginger with half tablespoon oil in a skillet or a wok over high heat until it starts to brown. This step will bring extra aroma to the rice. Be careful with the Chinese sausage. Make sure to keep stirring over high heat so it doesn't scorch. Wash the rice and rinse it at least 3 times until the water starts to clear. Now use the water that was reserved earlier. Put the sausage and mushrooms on top of the rice. Cover with the lid and use the preset of your pressure cooker or rice cooker to cook the rice. And today I'm using this new multi-pressure cooker to make the rice. I love the auto steam release of this pressure cooker, and the rice smells really good. For the sauce, I combined soy sauce, dark soy sauce, sesame oil, and oyster sauce. Pour the sauce over the rice and mix until the sauce is incorporated. And that's it! Lots of umami flavor from the mushrooms, savory and sweet flavor from the sausage. The next one I'm going to make is the Chinese sausage and pineapple fried rice. It's my all-time favorite. To make the fried rice, prepare all the ingredients beforehand and put them next to the wok. Heat 1 teaspoon oil in the wok over medium-high heat. Add garlic and sausage. Once the sausage turns slightly brown, remove from the wok and set aside. Heat the wok over medium heat. Once the wok gets hot, add 1 tablespoon oil, then the eggs. Use a spatula to quickly scramble the eggs. This is very important. We don't want to use high heat at the beginning because it will quickly overcook the eggs. Stir in rice while the eggs are still runny so that it's easy to incorporate them nicely. Also, if you use high heat for cold rice, it can quickly burn the rice while it's still clunky. Once the rice is almost broken apart, turn the heat to high. Transfer the sausage back in, and my favorite, XO sauce. You can buy XO sauce at Chinese grocery stores, or if you want to make your own, please check out the link in the description below. Add soy sauce, and this is my favorite soy sauce for stir-fry rice. Keep stirring until everything is incorporated. Add pineapple, and then finally garnish with green onions. And that's it! I hope you like these recipes. When it's cold outside and I don't want to go out for grocery shopping, these are the dishes that I make all the time. It's quick and easy. And thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until we eat again, bye!